Hello everyone and welcome to my videos of Learn Luganda with Kamlegia Ben. And today we are going to look at a very important aspect, which is counting numbers. Of course, we are going to look at how you can count numbers from 0 up to 10 in English and Luganda. Of course, don't forget to subscribe, like and share so that we can both benefit. So let's start. 0 0 naughty, naughty. At times, 0 is pronounced as zero, zero. 1, 1. Emu, emu. 2, 2. Bili, bili. 3, 3. Satu, satu. 4, 4. Inya, inya. 5, 5. Tano, tano, tano. 6, 6. Mukaga, mukaga, mukaga. 7, 7. Musanvu, musanvu, musanvu. 8, 8. Munana, munana, munana. 9, 9. Mwenda, mwenda, mwenda. 10, 10. Kumi, kumi. 10 is kumi. Yes, and that was my last number. Don't forget to subscribe, like, meet up wherever.